In today's video, let me show you how to use Affirm Pay in 4 features. Now this is a feature that Affirm provides, which allows you to split your purchases, which are over $50, into 4 interest-free payments. These payments are due every 2 weeks, so that you do not need to pay all at once. In order to use this feature, you'll be able to see the Affirm option being displayed on the partner retailers such as Amazon or Walmart, and it is available on most online shopping platforms. So whenever you are on the checkout section, you'll be able to see the option called Pay Over Time with Affirm. This is Amazon, by the way. You can just tap on the option and you'll be able to see all of your details being displayed. Now before you can proceed, you'll be able to see the option called Continue to Application, which will then take you to the website of Affirm. You'll need to select a plan, and once your plan is selected, you'll need to review your payment schedule and authorize the purchases as well. So this is the exact process that you'll need to follow in order to use Affirm Pay in 4 features. If this guide video was helpful, be sure to subscribe. I'm gonna see you in the next one.